Hello, everyone. I'm Saurabh Shashidharan, working as Customer Success Manager for AIC Advisory Group India. I'm once again joining with Mr. Hemanth to discuss on his second published study, which is HVAC Control Systems. As mentioned in the previous video, we will cover the context like scope of the study, supply landscape, key factors, strategies, etc. Hello, Hemant. Thank you for joining once again.
Hi Saurabh and hello everyone once again. Let's quickly deep dive into the Q&A with Saurabh.
Thank you, Hemant. So, as you know, my first question will always be, what is the scope of the market analysis report?
This study dives into HVAC control systems which automate building air conditioning using sensors, thermostats, valves, and controllers. These systems remove the need for manual temperature control and boost safety, especially in complex or hazardous environments. It covers both hardware and software, controllers, smart thermostats, sensors, network communication, HMI software, analytics, and more. By exploring these elements, the study offers a clear look at how HVAC systems optimize climate management and operational efficiency. This is a short scope of the report, Saurabh.
Thank you, Hemant. Would you like to talk about the supplier landscape for this market?
Sure. Uh, the top suppliers of a brand range of HVAC control systems, components, and solutions, some of which are Honeywell, Siemens, and Johnson Controls. Suppliers in the HVAC control systems market drive innovation and sustainability by integrating advanced technologies like IoT, automation, and AI to enhance system efficiency, reduce energy consumption, and support global climate goals. This is a short landscape of supplies for this market.
Right, right. Hemant, I would like you to talk about the growth factors of this report.
Okay. I will try to give you some growth factors. The global HVAC market is driven by demand for energy efficient technology, regulatory support, and smart building innovations. Government incentives like energy standards and tax credits are boosting growth in North America and Europe. IoT enabled systems improve efficiency with real time monitoring. Urbanization, construction growth, and smart home trends also fuel demand. Some innovations like decentralized heating and cooling as a service are reshaping the industry. Uh, Collaboration with startups, strict energy standards, and net zero goals further propel the market. Some sustainability regulations in the UK, Germany, and China are accelerating the shift to low carbon, decentralized solutions. These are some of the growth factors through which the market is gaining traction.
Right, right, Hemant. So, as you mentioned, the growth factors, I would like you to talk about the inhibiting factors too.
Okay, I'll try to give you some inhibiting factors. Despite its growth, the HVAC market faces hurdles like high upfront costs for advanced systems, the complexity of retrofitting older buildings, and the lack of standardized definitions for openness in smart building technology. There are a few cybersecurity risks from IoT integration, also demand robust protection. Plus, the need for skilled labor to install and maintain these systems can slow growth. While regulations push for energy efficiency, meeting strict standards in regions like the EU and China adds pressure on manufacturers. These are a few inhibiting factors to consider.
Yeah, yeah. So, my next question will be like from our audience side, like what strategies would you recommend to a buyer of the system?
Hmm. HVAC buyers should focus on efficiency, sustainability, and cost effectiveness. This is the basic part of the choosing a supplier. Choose motion activated systems to reduce energy waste, prioritize cybersecurity, and partner with suppliers offering strong global support. Invest in smart HVAC designs with advanced sensors and real time data, and ensure equipment meets IECC and ASHRAE standards. Modernize outdated systems, integrate safety features, and set sustainability KPIs. Also, align with ESG goals by diversifying suppliers and selecting digital forward partners. Lastly, evaluate suppliers for scalability and forward compatibility to secure long term success. These are some of the few strategies I would recommend.
Thank you, Hemant. With that, do you want to add any other key trends or points that you would like to share with the audience?
Sure, I'll try to give you some. Uh, the HVAC market is evolving with cutting edge trends, as I told. IoT and smart tech enable centralized control, remote monitoring, and predictive maintenance for greater efficiency. Analytics and big data optimize operations, while cloud computing and XaaS solutions enhance connectivity and cybersecurity. Energy efficient innovations like zoning systems, energy recovery ventilation, and DWAP tech are gaining traction, alongside green solutions such as geothermal and solar powered systems. Advanced air filtration boosts indoor air quality, and open protocols like BACnet and Haystack improve interoperability. The shift toward intelligent autonomous buildings and smart home integration is shaping the future of HVAC, emphasizing sustainability, energy efficiency, and user convenience.
Right. Thank you, Hemant. Lastly, I just want to ask you, like, how can buyers of the study be benefited? Can you brief on that too?
Sure, sure. There are numerous advantages to subscribing to this report, and while it's not possible to mention them all, some significant benefits are that the ARC report offers uh, buyers precise data and forecasts. It provides a compact analysis of the HVAC systems market, covering aspects like market size, growth, and influential trends. It identifies key global suppliers and discusses strategic points. Additionally, the report provides valuable market insights to assist suppliers and end users in making informed decisions in this rapidly changing market. I hope that answers your question, Saurabh.
Thank you so much, Hemant, for addressing all the queries related to the study HVAC control systems. Your insight will definitely provide our customer with a clear understanding of the study. To our audience, for additional information, please visit our website www.arcweb.com. You can also use the contact form on our website to reach to us directly. Once again, thank you, Hemant, for joining the session, and thank you, audience, also. Thank you.
Thank you.